Can you believe that it's the second week of this anime season? It's so fucking hard to believe. It felt like the anime season just began, but we're already on the second week. And the big thing is that finally Garo is subbed on time. We did not have to wait for a fan sub for Monday or Tuesday to come in for this episode. So this episode of Garo, episode 2. A very good episode, set up more stuff, and a lot of different revelations that were shocking in this episode. For one thing, Leon, our main male character, has a transformation. He transforms into his Makai Knight armor in this episode, and you see how he's losing control of himself, and you see like how half of his mask is like having indents, and you see it going down. Looks really weird, but I mean, we find out that like supposedly he has an inner flame or whatever, like he can't control his powers properly, and his armor is really fucking devouring him. So, really cool. I like that overall introduction of that. For instance, we found out that our main male character needs more improvement when it comes to controlling his powers. Now, there's a lot of different setups in this episode that is definitely going to play a major role way down the future in this series. I don't know how many episodes this is going to be. If I'm going to guess, though, probably going to be about 12 or 13 episodes. But either way, with the setups of this episode, it sets up multiple things. Like, for instance, the Makai Knights, the Makai Alchemist girl that was introduced this episode. We got the entire bit with Mendoza that betrayed the entire kingdom, and he betrayed the queen. He betrayed, you know, the prince, Alfonso, and he also pretty much is poisoning the king. If you think about it, it's not really original, but it was still cool getting to see that. And the other thing is that we find out Alfonso is a Makai Knight. For instance, his real father is not the king, but it's actually Herman. Herman, the father of Leon that's currently watching over him, the guy that's a ladies' man, the guy that plays with women all the time. Well, that is the real father to Alfonso, the prince of the kingdom, from what I can understand from this episode. So really shocking. So Mendoza, even though he technically was a prick and he is the one betraying the entire kingdom, he's, you know, poisoning the king, and he's also trying to kill the queen and kill the prince, technically he is correct about the wife having another person. I'm guessing, from my perspective, since Herman technically loves going into different houses, like whorehouses, prostitute houses, getting with them, I'm willing to bet he found the queen, and he probably had. That's what I'm guessing after this entire bit with, you know, Herman's character development showing him what he likes to do in the background, and alongside of how this Alfonso is supposedly related to his father, for instance, Herman. So, yeah. One thing, though, we found out is that Makai Knights, for instance, the Garo armor, you see the armor that our main characters get into, for instance, Herman and Leon, we know they transform with their armor, and it looks like a lionish type armor. Well, we found out that only men can have that armor. Like, it's implied. It's not specifically said, but it's implied that only men can have this type of armor, and it can only be passed down to the sons and their bloodline, and that is why Alfonso has the bloodline. He's a son, and he can activate it, and that is why the mother of, you know, Leon could not activate the armor, because she was a woman. So there's clearly a different, like, relation to witches, Makai Alchemist, and Makai Knights. There's a really big difference between all of them, and I'm guessing each individual one has different specifics to be able to achieve that certain power. So overall, the episode was very good, explained a lot, brought up a lot of questions, and some interesting developments. Like I said, the main things you can get from this episode is Mendoza betraying the kingdom. We found out, even though he didn't say it, we found out pretty much he's poisoned the king. Alfonso's real father is Herman, and he's also technically the brother to Leon, and only Ming technically have Makai Knight armor. So, a really good episode. I enjoyed it, and I cannot wait for next week, because this series is getting good. The CGI of the characters, I'm liking the CGI. The CGI definitely looks really freaking good. I mean, it's not the best, of course not, let's just be honest, but the CGI looks awesome, and I noticed a complete shift in animation change in that CGI moment in this episode when you saw our main male character just transform and he was going crazy. That looked really badass. I want to say that right now. So tell me your thoughts about this episode of Garo. Did you enjoy it? Did you hate it? What was your favorite moments about it? And truthfully, are you hyped up for the next episode? Let me know in the comments below. Love you all so much. Please be safe. Chibi out.